In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the official Otter AI Chrome extension for live notes in Google Meet. To get started, make sure you're using Google Chrome since this extension is designed specifically to work there. The goal is to let you capture live transcription directly inside your meeting without needing to invite a separate meeting bot. That makes the setup quicker and keeps your call experience much cleaner. First, install the official Otter AI Chrome extension in Chrome. If you haven't already signed into your Otter account, you may be prompted to do that during setup. Take a moment to confirm that you're installing the official extension so everything works smoothly and securely. Once the extension is added, it should be available in your Chrome toolbar, and that gives you quick access whenever you join a meeting. Next, open your Google Meet call in Google Chrome. You can do this with a meeting you're about to join or one that is already in progress. It's a good idea to check that your browser is updated and that the meeting page has fully loaded before moving on. That helps the extension recognize the call properly and reduces the chance of any delays when you start transcription. Once you're inside the meeting, click the Otter Live Notes icon on the screen to launch live transcription. This is the key step that activates the real-time note-taking experience. Instead of adding a bot participant to your meeting, the extension works directly from your browser session, which can feel more seamless and less intrusive for everyone on the call. After you click the icon, give it a few moments to begin listening and processing the conversation. As the meeting continues, review the live captions as they appear. This can be especially helpful for following along with fast discussions, catching important details, or making sure action items are not missed. The captions update in real time, so you can keep an eye on them during the conversation while still staying focused on the meeting itself. Finally, save the notes directly to your Otter dashboard. This gives you a convenient place to revisit the transcript later, organize your meeting records, and look back at key points after the call ends. If you regularly attend online meetings, this can be a simple way to build a searchable history of discussions and decisions. That's it. Once the extension is installed, the process becomes very fast. Open your Google Meet call, launch Otter Live Notes, follow the live captions, and save everything to your dashboard for later review.